Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to find the product of the given numbers by using the application of various properties of integers. Our first question is find each of the following products. Negative 18 into negative 10 into 9, negative 20 into negative 2 into negative 5 into 7. Then third question is negative 1 into negative 5 into negative 4 into negative 6. Now let us see one by one. Solution. Let's take the first question. Negative 18 into negative 10 into 9. So now we have three numbers. Let us see how to associate these numbers so that we can find the product of the number very easily. So if you take negative 18 and 10 first, so now we are putting in a parenthesis. So negative 18 into negative 10 is, so negative into negative will become positive. 18 into 10 is 180. So 180 into 9. So 180 into 9 is 1620. So the product of negative 18 into negative 10 into 9 is 1620, and which is positive. The next question is negative 20 into negative 2 into negative 5 into 7. So now let us see the question and let us analyze how to associate the numbers so that we can find the product very easily. So now if you look here, 2 into 5 is 10. So we are associating negative 2 and negative 5. So negative 2 into negative 5 is positive 10. So the equation will become negative 20 into positive 10 into 7. So now we are associating negative 20 and positive 10. So negative 20 into positive 10 is negative 200. Negative 200 into 7 is negative 1400. So thus the product of negative 20 into negative 2 into negative 5 into 7 is negative 1400. Now let's see the next question. Negative 1 into negative 5 into negative 4 into negative 6. So now let us see how to associate. So now we'll associate negative 1 and negative 5. Then we'll associate negative 4 and negative 6. So negative 1 into negative 5 is positive 5 into negative 4 into negative 6 is positive 24. So 5 into 24 is positive 120. So thus the product of negative 1 into negative 5 into negative 4 into negative 6 is positive 120. We can also see here, if we have even number of negative integers, then our result will be positive. So we have learnt in our previous videos all these properties of negative integers. Next question is verify negative 30 into 13 plus negative 3 equal to negative 30 into 13 plus negative 30 into negative 3. So we have to verify whether right hand side is equal to left hand side or not. So in solution, now first let's take our right hand side, that is negative 30 into 13 plus negative 3. So that is negative 30. 13 plus negative 3, we are taking it first. So 13 plus and negative 3 will become minus 3. 13 minus 3 is 10. So negative 30 into 10 is negative 300. Now let's take the next number. That is negative 30 into 13 plus negative 30 into negative 3. Negative 30 into 13 will be negative 390 plus negative 30 into negative 3. So negative into negative will become positive. 30 into 3 is 90. So negative 390 plus 90 will be negative 300. So our right hand side is equal to left hand side. So we can say that negative 30 into 13 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 30 into 13 plus negative 30 into negative 3. Question is verify the following. 18 into 7 plus negative 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into negative 3. The next question is negative 21 into negative 4 plus negative 6 equal to negative 21 into negative 4 plus negative 21 into negative 6. So these are all distributive properties. Let us verify this one by one. Solution. Let's take the first number. So 18 into 7 plus negative 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into negative 3. First let's take our left hand side, that is 18 into 7 plus negative 3. So first we have to take the parenthesis, number in the parenthesis. So 7 plus negative 3, plus and negative will become minus. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So 18 into 4 is 72. That is our left hand side. Now take right hand side. That is 18 into 7 plus 18 into negative 3. 18 into 7 is 126 plus 18 into negative 3 is negative 54. So 126 minus 54, because plus into minus is minus. 126 minus 54 is 72. So that's our right hand side is 72. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say that 18 into 7 plus negative 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into negative 3. Now let's take the second question, that is negative 21 into negative 4 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 21 into negative 4 plus negative 21 into negative 6. So now consider the left hand side, that is negative 21 into negative 4 plus negative 6. So first we will take the numbers inside the parenthesis. So negative 4 plus negative 6, plus and this negative will become negative. So negative 4 plus negative 6 is negative 10. So negative 21 into negative 10 is positive 210. Negative into negative will become positive. So our left hand side is positive 210. Now consider the right hand side of the equation. That is negative 21 into negative 4 plus negative 21 into negative 6. So negative 21 into negative 4 is positive 84. Negative into negative is positive 84. Similarly, negative into negative is positive 21 into 6 is 126. So 84 plus 126 is positive 210. So if you see here, right hand side is equal to left hand side. So we can say that negative 21 into negative 4 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 21 into 4 plus negative 21 into negative 6. So from all these examples, we have proved the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Hope you have understood how to verify the properties using several numbers. Thank you for watching this video.